Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn cake topper. Okay, let's get started.
To make the unicorn's body, start by rolling out your modelling paste into a sausage shape. Make it to about 2 inches in height. For the head, you need to roll another ball of modelling paste and slightly taper one end so that it's pointed. That's the top of the unicorn's head. Next, you need to roll 4 small balls, which should measure approximately 3/4 of an inch wide. These 4 balls will be the unicorn's legs. So you need to take each ball and roll them into a sausage shape and slightly taper the ends. Flatten the wider part of the leg on your surface. Now you need to take some grey modelling paste and shape 4 balls. Now you're going to attach all the pieces. Break a cocktail stick and insert it into the middle of the unicorn's body. Brush some water onto the top of the unicorn's body. Insert the toothpick and place the head on top. Now taking your grey balls, you need to attach them to the bottom of the unicorn's legs. But before you do this, you need to slightly flatten them with your fingers, as this will be the unicorn's hoofs. Brush some water on the front part of the unicorn's body and attach the legs. And also attach the legs to the side of the body as well. Next you need to roll and shape a small piece of grey modelling paste into an oval shape. And attach this to the face of your unicorn. And using the end of your paintbrush, make 2 holes, as these are the nostrils. Now to make your horn, you need to roll 3 different colours of modelling paste. So I've used white, light pink and a dark pink. And once you've rolled all the colours individually, make sure they're the right length. So at this point you can brush a small amount of water in between each colour and then just twist the colours together to make your unicorn's horn. Cut a bit off from the wider end of the horn and attach it to the unicorn's head with a toothpick. To make the ears, you only need a small amount of modelling paste, which you've rolled and flattened, and then you just shape it into an ear. Now you need to attach the ears to the unicorn's head, brushing with some water. Now with some pink modelling paste, just roll and flatten a tiny amount and put that on the inner side of the unicorn's ear. Now to make the unicorn's mane, you need to roll equal amounts of coloured modelling paste. I've used blue, light pink, dark pink and yellow, and I've made sure they were all the same length at approximately 1 inch. And now you just need to stick them on either side of the unicorn's horn with some water. Next you need to cut a small blossom out of white modelling paste using your flower blossom cutter, and then just stick a pink sugar pearl into the centre of the blossom, then attach to your unicorn's head. Now to make your unicorn's tail, roll out your modelling paste in exactly the same colours as you did for your mane. This time your pieces need to be a bit longer, maybe approximately 2.5 inches in length and thicker. Now you need to attach all your colours together and twist them around to make your tail. Cut a piece of the end off the tail so that it's the right length, and attach it to the back of your unicorn with some water. Now for the unicorn's eyes, you only need a small amount of black modelling paste. Roll that into a ball and then shape into an oval. And then attach the eyes with some water. And then attach a tiny amount of white modelling paste to the black part of the eye. And now using your black edible ink pen, you can draw in the eyelashes. You can leave your unicorn to dry overnight and then give it a light dusting of Lustre dust for a sheen effect.
Enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.